Hey, we bikers. Last week in Austin, Texas, the we was at the MotoGP Red Bull Grand Prix of the Americas, the motorcycle race held at the Circuit of the Americas. But that's not all. Before that, on Thursday, Motorvision USA held a pre-race party. Then on Friday, we went to the Handbuilt motorcycle show. Then on Saturday and Sunday, we were at the 10th annual MotoGP Red Bull Grand Prix race. We did that in VIP, and we have that for you at the We Experience.
All right, we bikers, part 2, Handbuilt motorcycle show. This is down in Austin. Had a nice time. The lines weren't long. Flew right in.
Okay, Friday pass. Now let you get situated. Here we go.
Alright, bam, I'm in. So this show was nice. They had a nice Indian bike set up over there too. I'm checking these Indian bikes out. I hear a lot about them. So I definitely want to get with it and definitely test some of these bikes out. Is anybody out there got an Indian bike? Let me know in the comments if you have an Indian, and let me know which one you have, what year, and what do you think about them, I guess, compared to Harleys as well. But yeah, they had a nice setup out there. A lot of custom bikes they had on display. I haven't seen too many tricked out Indian bikes in terms of heavy custom work. I haven't seen too many at all. Yeah.
One of our designers took a sport chief, came up with the concept of the color combination, getting a nice exhaust on there. It's got the tall risers on it, some custom mirrors, and then a professional painter from one of our dealerships out in Hollister, California, did the paint job, and we got it tuned up. It's a tremendous bike.
Awesome. I overheard you speaking that there's going to be demo bikes in a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
At the Harley Davidson. That's the one in Austin, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's Indie Motorcycle of Austin, because throughout the year, during the warm weather months, we have a fleet of demo trucks going around the country.
Okay.
They go to dealerships and rallies, but in this case, it'll be an Indian dealership set up for a couple days, free demo ride. Every model in the line's represented, so people can come and ride bikes, compare, and see what works for them.
Is that something they do annually, or is this just a special one time?
Actually, probably twice a year.
Oh, okay.
For instance, Austin, this would be the spring visit by the truck.
Okay.
We'll probably have one again in the fall.
Awesome. That's awesome to know.
Yeah.
Well, I will be there for sure.
Good.
Definitely nice meeting you.
Yeah, pleasure.
All right, thank you.
Yeah,
Take care.
thank you very much.
All right.
Murder your thirst. They had actually like a coffin out there. That was kind of wild. So it's good to connect. Yeah, so they had live music there too. Nice sound system. And a lot of acts. I just rolled up and they had these bros out there doing their thing. So I just share it with you for a few. Yeah, they played for a few though. They played for a while.
Let's take a look at what we got here. That slider. AZX sliders though.
Too hot.
No doubt.
Let's see what's going on
We gotta get your
How's this other?
sweet potato fries. That's on point. TX sliders.
Yeah, they had a lot of vendors out here. The spot where they were giving free shots of tequila.
How is it, guys? Good. All right. Nice. Nice.
All right, now it's time to actually head into the show. Let's see what the bike's on. Let's see what's up. See what's good. Place was big, a lot of space. I got there on a good day. It wasn't crazy crowded. They set it up like a museum. The bikes were spaced well apart, and these bikes, you talk about like hand built. This is perfect for Austin, where the mantra is keep Austin weird, everything weird. But these bikes were like really well done. They just weren't like your junkyard bikes at all. These are some custom classic bikes, and when they say hand built, man, they're not fronting. These were hand built bikes. You gotta respect those who have the time to put in. These bikes look good. Now this was kind of fly. They had this guy. He was like an artist doing, I guess, like his interpretation of the motorcycle in front of him. So it was just interesting that they actually like have this here. It's all thing bikes, man. This weekend's about. This is what this whole video is about. This whole series. It's motorcycles are celebrated in Austin, Texas, especially last week, and a lot more events coming up. But in every facet of the game, not just for hand built, not just for bike shows, but even in terms of artistry. These bikes are a work of art, right? They are. Major investment, time, personal taste, and that's how we're respecting it.
Where are you out of?
We're out of Costa Mesa, California.
Oh, okay. Oh, you made the trip.
Yeah, we did.
And where can we find you online?
At wild.com.
All right, awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it.
One thing I tell you, they had a lot of different vendors at this event, and apparel, whiskey, slow and low, and they also, of course, they threw in some four-wheel vehicles too, which is all good. That's some nice. So I gave you guys a little peek of that. I know we're all about motorcycles, but hey, they had it here, and I want to share it with you guys. So I did a quick drive-by and captured some of these vehicles. right, back to the bikes.
Looks like licorice. That is like candy. Look at that.
Yeah, it looks like candy.
Wow. That's cards right there. That is cool.
Ah, these are nice. They got some police tribute bikes over here. Custom bikes.
All right, so what do we have here?
I have Carolina Tequila Blanco.
Okay. Oh, thank you. All right, look at this.
Right.
And which one is this?
This is our Blanco, our Tequila Blanco.
Okay.
We have a Reposado being produced in lovely company. We're from Austin.
Okay.
This bottle is from Mexico.
Okay.
We're just kind of getting out there. We haven't launched in stores yet. We'll be launching in distillers and specs in May. So this is kind of a soft launch.
This is good sipping tequila.
That's what it's
Yeah, yeah. Oh, thank you. All right.
Well, we bikers, that was it. That's the Handbuilt motorcycle show that was on Friday, right in Austin, Texas. So yeah, if you haven't been to Austin, you got to get there. Beautiful city, small city, but beautiful. Plenty of events to do. They really relish motorcycles. Next up for us, though, next videos are the 10th annual MotoGP Red Bull Grand Prix, and that's going to be held at the Circuit of the Americas. So get ready. Oh, this is the bridge. Check it out, where people come at night to watch the bats come from underneath the bridge and they fly up. I'll show that to you guys in another video. Take care. Peace.